Welcome to Keytronics, India Private Limited. Keytronics is a proud, made in India manufacturer under the Prime Minister's Make in India initiative, specializing in indigenously designed, developed, and manufactured rugged display panels for military, healthcare, avionics, railways, and more. With 30 plus years of experience, a state of the art manufacturing facility, and a team of technically qualified and experienced professionals, Keytronics is a trusted partner for reputed OEMs worldwide. We proudly serve various industries, meeting their specific requirements and compliance standards. Army, Avionics, Navy, Healthcare, Railways, Pharmaceutical and Food, Industrial. Our displays comply with JSS Painter 5, MIL Standard 461EF, and ASG 100D along with the protective mesh required to meet EMI and EMC norms. Optical bonding works by applying a special resin between a thin film transistor LCD, TFT LCD, panel and a touch screen. This process removes air gaps, reducing glare and reflections, while making the screen clearer and more durable. Keytronics offers two types of optical bonding services. OCR bonding uses optically clear resin for seamless display integration. OCA bonding uses an optically clear adhesive sheet, creating an air gap between display elements. Optical bonding enhances rugged devices and advanced display technology, ensuring a more reliable and immersive user experience. Key benefits include high-resolution screens with multi-touch technology, ruggedized to MIL STD and DO 160 standards, industry standard interfaces, and customizable bezels, NVIS compatibility, and Vifusion graphics processing, extreme temperature variation support, and sunlight readability. Keytronics delivers cutting-edge display solutions for demanding environments. Benefits of optical bonding like durability against shock and vibration for harsh environments, reduced reflection and glare for better visibility, wide temperature range tolerance for all climates, enhanced readability in extreme light conditions, rugged adaptability, perfect for defense and battlefield applications, improved strength and stealth features for low visibility operations, increased touchscreen precision for critical systems, extended display lifespan, reducing replacement costs, enhanced viewing perspective for multi-view scenarios, resistance to condensation and fogging in rapid temperature changes. With these benefits, optical bonding is a perfect fit for rugged devices and advanced display technology. At present, 90% of the displays are imported from China and Taiwan. Our displays help reduce dependence on foreign suppliers. Cost-effective with no customs duties, inventory hassles, or language barriers. Ability to fulfill small quantity orders for Indian customers. Generating job opportunities for skilled Indians while supporting sustainable practices. Keytronics Class 100 cleanroom infrastructure. Optical bonding for displays up to 27 inches. Advanced features like anti-reflection, anti-fingerprint coatings, and custom glass solutions. Embedded support with controllers and UI/UX integration for seamless operation. Delivering precision and reliability for high-performance displays. Our indigenously developed keyboards suitable for rugged environment with cutting-edge technology like Milky Military and Space-Saving Backlit Keyboard. Customer Programmable Switches, CPS. Inari Keyboard. Silicone-based keyboard. And rugged tablet and handheld terminal for industrial use. We are an ISO 9001:2015 certified company with IATF and as 9100D certification in process. We adhere to RoHS and REACH guidelines. Our registered trademarks include Keytronics, Torchmatic, KeyETP, and more. At Keytronics, we prioritize safety, compliance, and sustainability. Licensed software and NDA adherence to protect intellectual property. Dual location secure data storage for data security. Patented EV sensor innovations and globally published research. Eco-friendly waste disposal for sustainability. Fire monitoring and extinguishing systems for workplace safety committed to innovation with responsibility. Keytronics combines cutting-edge technology with a customer-first approach, supporting the Make in India mission. Delivering cost-effective, high-quality solutions. Empowering industries with advanced input devices and optical bonding solutions. Keytronics India Private Limited. Your trusted partner for innovation and quality. Together, let's build a self-reliant India.